In order to use your computer, your laptop as an extended display on your Quest 3, 3S, or 2, all you need to do is go into your library, select Remote Desktop. It should already be there in your library, and then it'll prompt you to download or send a link to download the MetaQuest Remote Desktop. Now, this is what you're downloading on your computer, on your laptop. It's already downloaded on your Quest. So once you get it up, this is what it's going to look like on your computer screen. At least this is what it looks like on my MacBook Pro. So click download. Once it's downloaded, run the installer. It'll automatically start it, or if it doesn't, just double click on it and start it up. As soon as it starts, it'll prompt you to log into your account. You can log in. Once I'm logged in, then it prompted me to give the proper permissions to the various things, which I did. And then it'll look like this. My MetaQuest 3 is ready to go because it's on. My computer is on. Back on my Quest 3 now, you can see that my MacBook Pro is right there. So I can click on that. It'll take a second just to load up here. And there we go. Now I'm seeing what my computer screen is. They encourage you to use pass-through mode so that you can still see your keyboard while you're working on things, because I think it's important to note that you're not controlling your computer with your controllers. You're still using your mouse or your trackpad and your regular keyboard to actually do it. You're just seeing what's on your computer screen here. So I'm still using my mouse there, my trackpad, to control what's going on. With your controllers though, you can see in the bottom right, there's a settings button, and you can change the resolution of your screen. So I changed it to the lowest, which fits a lot of things on the screen. Change it to the highest. Things get a lot bigger and less is going to fit on that screen. In the very bottom there, you can click theater mode. So it's going to enlarge the screen a little bit. And you can also have a curved screen or just a flat screen. And then you can change the dimness settings of what's behind you. In this case, it's the pass-through. So you can focus more on what's on the screen or not. That is really up to you. On the sides there, you can click and drag from the corners, and you can see how big we can make this screen. So it is really large, or you can make it smaller, custom size it to what fits your needs best, and you can really create your own workspace right here on the MetaQuest 3, which is awesome. So if you have any questions about this, make sure you let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure you check out my other MetaQuest tips in the playlist below. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.